state your name, position, and company you represent.
Hi, I'm Dave Cooper, Vice President of Genesis Diamonds here in Cincinnati, Ohio.
How long has Genesis Diamonds been around?
Genesis Diamonds has been in business for just about a decade now. We have 4 locations. We began in Nashville about 10 years ago, and now we have 2 locations in Nashville, 1 location in Louisville, Kentucky, and this is our newest location here in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Have you been with the company?
I've been with the company about 6 months now, but I've been working with the company as a supplier for over 18 years.
What brands does Genesis Diamonds offer?
At Genesis Diamonds, we carry brands such as Decory, Viraggio, Henry Dawsey, Christopher Designs, A. Jaffe, and many, many more.
Tell me about Genesis Diamonds' specialty. What sets you apart from your competition?
Our specialty here at Genesis Diamonds is diamonds. We're direct diamond importers and wholesalers for the past 30 years. And we provide aftercare, warranty, and guarantees that are second to none in the entire country. We bring a package direct from the diamond mine right to you, the end consumer.
Did you first hear about Eclipse window tinting?
We heard about Eclipse window tinting through our contractors who were building our new store because we needed some glass frost in the back of our location, and it was just awesome.
What made you decide to allow Eclipse to film your storefront?
Well, we looked at several companies to do the graphics in the front of our store, and just the level of professionalism, the speed of the communication, the value, the prices, the material, the labor, it was all there for us, so we decided to use Eclipse.
Business and pay for itself?
I absolutely do think it will increase business, and it's already paid for itself.
Would you use Eclipse again?
I would gladly use Eclipse again, and I actually use them on my own personal vehicle to do work too.
What would you say to future Eclipse clients?
I would say to future Eclipse clients, if you feel the need to shop around, go ahead, but the reality is you're not going to find a more professional outfit than Eclipse.